My husband left me. My mother had emergency surgery. I have nowhere to...
I'm truly sorry about your situation, but I have a business to run. I have to let you go.
I don't even know where to start, James. In 48 hours, I lost my marriage, my home, my money, and now my job.
What did you do?
I gave myself 5 minutes. Not to fix anything, not to make a plan. Just 5 minutes to think about what I would build, Toy. If I could build anything I wanted.
The doctor says the surgery went well. She'll recover.
I know. They told me an hour ago. You didn't have to come.
She's my mother-in-law. Of course I came.
You came 40 minutes after I called. She was in surgery for 3 hours, Richard.
I was in a meeting.
At midnight? Who is she?
Diana.
Just don't lie to me right now. My mother just had emergency surgery. I am sitting in this room at 2 in the morning and I already know. I've known for months. I just needed to hear you say it.
Her name is Vanessa. It's been about 8 months. I'm sorry.
No, you're not. If you were sorry, it would have stopped. Go home, Richard.
Diana, we should talk her.
Go home.
You don't have to leave. I'll go.
I'm not leaving because you asked me to. I'm leaving because I cannot breathe in the same house as you right now.
Where will you go?
That's not your concern anymore.
Diana, be reasonable. We have 12 years. We have a mortgage. We had 12 years.
Past tense. I went to check my bank account just now. You canceled my cards. Changed the passwords.
My attorney advised.
Your attorney. You already have an attorney.
Diana?
How long have you been planning this?
A few months.
A few months. While I was sitting with your sick father in that hospital last November. While I was covering your accounts when the business had a slow quarter. While I was doing everything.
Hey. You okay?
I'm fine.
Is Diana?
I'm fine, James. Thank you.
Close the door. The Brennan account called this morning.
So,
They said you missed the presentation yesterday afternoon.
I know. I'm so sorry something happened with my family, but
They've pulled the contract, Diana. $2.3 million. Gone to Morrison Associates.
Mr. Hartwell, please don't. I have been with this firm for 9 years. One missed meeting.
And you clearly did not sleep last night.
My husband left me. My mother had emergency surgery. I have nowhere to...
I'm truly sorry about your situation, but I have a business to run. I have to let you go.
I really am sorry, Diana.
What happened?
Everything happened.
Talk to me. Talk to me.
I don't even know where to start, James. In 48 hours, I lost my marriage, my home, my money, and now my job. What do you even do with that?
You don't figure it all out today. You just figure out the next hour. You eaten anything today?
No,
Come on. There's a diner on 5th. I'm buying.
So what are you gonna do?
genuinely no idea. I have $90, no job, no home, and a mother in the ICU who can't know any of this.
You can stay at mine. Sarah won't mind.
James,
I'm serious. Take the guest room. As long as you need.
I don't want to be someone who needs charity from their coworker.
It's not charity. It's just that's what people do for each other.
I'm sorry to interrupt. I wasn't trying to eavesdrop. The place is just very quiet. I just wanted to say, I know that feeling.
Of not wanting.
Of not wanting to need anyone. Like needing help somehow means you failed somewhere. No offense, but you don't know me.
No, but I've been you. Lost my husband at 34.
3 kids, no income, rebuilt everything from zero, then lost it all again at 41 when my business burned down.
The second time? Honestly, I sat in a room very much like that motel you're probably staying in.
How did you know about the motel?
Because when everything falls apart at once, that's where people end up.
What did you do?
I gave myself 5 minutes. Not to fix anything, not to make a plan. Just 5 minutes to think about what I would build, Toy. If I could build anything I wanted.
That sounds like something off a motivational poster. I know. Believe me, I know.
But here's the thing about rock bottom, and I say this with love. You have nothing to lose by trying it.
The problem with grief is it only lets you look backward.
5 minutes forward, that's the smallest possible act of hope. And sometimes that's enough to start.
I buy one every week. Never won a thing. I buy one every week. Never won a thing. But every week I get one day. Every week I get one day of imagining. Keeps me grateful for everything else. Take it, please.
I can't take your... I'm 70 years old and I work in a hardware store. Trust me, I know the difference between what I need and what I don't. 5 minutes tonight. Promise me.
Mom? Hey! How are you feeling?
Good.
Good, I'm so glad. Listen, Mom, don't panic, but I need to tell you some things.
Actually.
Some of it... some of it is really good news.
Your Honor, my client and Miss Mercer were legally married at the time of ticket purchase.
Under Texas community property law, half those winnings belong to Mr. Mercer.
Mr. Mercer, is it true you presented your wife with divorce papers that you had secretly prepared over several months? On the same night her mother was in emergency surgery?
Yes, Your Honor. The timing was...
And that same night, you canceled all joint credit cards and changed the passwords on every shared bank account?
I had legal grounds to.
Yes or no, Mr. Mercer?
Yes.
So on the night your wife's mother was in emergency surgery, you handed her divorce papers, then locked her out of every account she had access to save, leaving her with nothing. Counselor, I'm talking to your client. Mr. Mercer, you ended this marriage in every meaningful sense that night. You made absolutely certain your wife had no resources, no safety net, and no options. And now, One day later, when fortune finds her, you want half of it?
Motion denied. The winnings belong entirely to Miss Mercer.
Your Honor, with respect. Sit down, Mr. Mercer. You had your chance to treat this woman with dignity.
You chose not to. This court is adjourned.
Diana, please, can we just talk? I made a mistake. A serious mistake. I want to fix this.
I spent 12 years making our life work. And in 3 days, you took all of it.
And somehow, Tweety, in the worst 3 days of my entire life, Tuda, I figured out exactly who I am without you. So no, we're not gonna fix this. Because honestly, I'm not sure it was ever something worth fixing.
What's this?
Open it.
Diana, I cannot accept this. I gave you a $2 lottery ticket.
You gave me 5 minutes. And those 5 minutes, I opened my own firm 8 months ago. Beautiful homes for working families who deserve better than what they're getting. I have 11 people working for me now. 2 of them couldn't get hired anywhere else.
I heard. I read about it, actually. I went on that hiking trip I'd been canceling for 3 years. Yeah?
My mother came with me. First real vacation either of us ever took together.